With the summer here, so is the heat. So with us now is JoJo Martinez from J Martini Hospitality Group to show you how to make some summer drinks using some great Goya ingredients and to cool us down.
Absolutely. So with Goya, they have this extremely amazing product, the cream of coconut. So with us, I just get crazy with tiki cocktails and whatnot. One of the most popular ones using cream of coconut is going to be the painkiller.
Ooh, okay.
But for this one, for everybody at home that does not drink, we're going to go ahead and do the mocktail version of it. And simply, if you do want to have a drink, just add Pusser's rum to that. It'll be fine. So we'll do the mocktail with Goya cream to coconut, and then I have their lime pulp from Goya as well, fresh lime juice.
Ooh, yummy.
We have the coconut here. We're gonna top it off with some nutmeg. Got some fresh pineapple juice.
Yes, let's get mixing.
Let's do it
for our summer cocktails.
All right, here we go with our mocktail.
Yes.
There we go. Go ahead with 2 ounces of cream of coconut with Goya. Okay. And do 3/4 of pineapple juice. Then I'm going to do 1 ounce. Sorry about that. Then we'll do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. All right, and then we'll get to shaking.
This is my favorite part, with your flair. And JoJo is an award-winning mixologist, so she's got the great recipes and the style and everything that I just love.
Let's get the shaking.
Hey. It's like I want to dance.
There we go.
Ooh, this looks luscious.
It is. Here we go. Then pour over your ice. Really popular with a lot of guests that I have for the painkiller.
And I love mocktails, which means, no alcohol, but you can, as JoJo said, you can add a little alcohol if you want to the rum.
Yeah, easy. Just add, I would say 1.5 ounces of Pusser's rum. Also, I'm going to go ahead and grate some nutmeg.
Ah, that's fresh nutmeg.
Nice and fresh. Then we'll have our little pineapple leaf, and then we'll have a fresh lime.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Tis. Here we are. With our mocktail painkiller.
Oh, yummy. Thank you. Salud.
Salute.
Oh, delicious. Very refreshing, all the fresh juices.